Hey friends, if you just caught my 30-second short on quick ChatGPT hacks, welcome to the full deep dive. In the next 10 minutes, I am sharing 10 game-changing tips to turn your ChatGPT prompts from MA to mind-blowing plus a bonus hack at the end. Grab a coffee, and let's get smarter together. Here's how it's going to go down. Each tip is bite-sized, with real examples you can steal. I'll tell you where I used these tricks myself, and more importantly, how you can use them right now. By the end, you'll know exactly how to craft prompts that save you time, spark creativity, and get the answers you actually want. Ever ask, "Tell me about marketing," and get a wall of generic text? Instead, try explain 5 digital marketing strategies for small e-commerce stores, each with a real-world example. See how that narrows the scope. ChatGPT now knows exactly what you need. Personal note: when I first launched my blog, I asked ChatGPT for growth tips and got fluff. Specificity skyrocketed my quality and my traffic. Want a quick checklist, a persuasive email, or a poem? Just say so. For example, write a friendly 100-word welcome email to new subscribers in bullet points with emojis. You'll get exactly that. No extras. Why it works. Formats give the model guardrails. You get scannable, shareable outputs. Stuck choosing between 2 headlines? Ask, "Give me 3 headline options for a blog post about remote work productivity." Boom, you've got to be test candidates in seconds. Tip: label them A, B, C, so it's easy to compare. Frame the conversation. Try as an experienced UX designer. Explain how to improve mobile app onboarding for older users. Suddenly, the advice sounds targeted and authoritative because you told ChatGPT who it is. Personal story: I once forgot context and got generic tips. Adding, as a senior dev advocate, transformed the output into gold. We're halfway through 5 tips down. 5 to go. Up next, how to unlock hidden reasoning, control creativity levels, and a bonus tool integration that most people miss. Stay with me. Want ChatGPT to show its reasoning? Ask, explain, step by step, how you arrive at this answer. Use it when you need transparency. Why you'll love it. You'll see the logical path and can spot errors before they slip through. Control creativity with temperature. 0.2 for precise facts, 0.8 for creative brainstorming, and set max tokens to avoid overly long answers. For example, summarize this text in 150 words. Temperature, 0.3. Show, don't tell. Provide 1 to 2 examples in your prompt. Here's a question and answer. Example: now do the same for this new question. It teaches ChatGPT your ideal style. Feeding huge documents. First ask, summarize this in 5 bullet points. Then dive into each bullet. Expand point 2 into a 200-word section. It prevents token overload. Need friendly, formal, or humorous. Request it. Rewrite this paragraph in a playful tone, under 50 words. Perfect for matching your brand voice. Break big tasks into steps. Step 1. List research questions. Step 2. Draft an outline. Step 3. Write the introduction. Chaining yields structured, polished results. After ChatGPT answers, verify facts with a quick search API or plugin. This keeps your content accurate and trustworthy. That's a wrap on 10 ChatGPT tips plus a bonus hack. Hit like if you learned something new. Subscribe for weekly AI deep dives, and drop a comment with which tip you'll try first. If you enjoyed the short, click the link below for more AI hacks, and I'll see you in the next one.